We are going to repair a Telefunken TV without picture, good backlight. Now let us test a possible shorted capacitor. But this side of the circuit seems had a shorted capacitor, but pulling them out and tested, they are okay. In this other side of the circuit, locate the capacitor, C428 that was shorted. I cleaned the circuit and it's done. Let's try the TV.
Es una primera edición, por lo que sé,